This is the aftermath of me filming this video. I pretty much just emptied my closet for this video.
Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going old school to like 2015 YouTube when like winter lookbooks were like a huge thing. Haha, joke's on you, Cassie. Winter lookbooks are definitely still a thing. They're not something from 2014, 2015. Like literally just Google winter lookbooks. Still very much a thing. Anyways, continue with the video. And I thought it'd be kind of fun to show you guys like all the different types of outfits I wear for like different occasions. That's enough of an intro. Let's get started. Hey guys, voiceover Cassie here to talk about the first outfit. I honestly love this outfit. I think it's super trendy. My cardigan and pants are both from Brandy Melville. My tank top is thrifted. I'm pairing it with my platform Converse. And then my jewelry is from Omo Jewelry.
Didn't think you'd say hi to me, let alone walk by me, even though
Okay, real quick, fun fact about this outfit is I've worn it like twice on like shopping days to like a nearby city, and both times I've done it, I've gotten like compliments from like complete strangers on my outfit, so out of the blue, and it's just so sweet and it makes my day. I mean, to be honest, this outfit's not like my favorite outfit in the world, but the fact that it's been complimented twice by strangers really just like makes me feel differently about it. I think the sweater is the main thing. Very cute. Okay, so this next outfit I kind of came up with on the spot today. The jeans I'm wearing are from American Eagle, and trust me, you are going to be seeing these jeans a lot because I really like them and they're one of the only jeans that fit me, but love them. My biggest flex of this outfit is I got this cute grandma cardigan for like $3 at Goodwill. This outfit is definitely out of my comfort zone, so if it looks bad, let's please not talk about it. I love how this outfit is all over the place in the sense that like I'm dressing it up by wearing a blazer and heels, but I'm also dressing it down by wearing like blue jeans and then like a hair clip. Love it!
maybe this time not as just friends. I'm falling hard, baby, you got me hooked. These feelings just cannot be overlooked.
Stop. I love this outfit so much, and no, I do not want to hear your opinion. So comfortable, it's a vibe. Don't try to tell me it's not. I love this jacket.
I'm hoping for another.
Love this outfit, super chill.
Made the same mistakes
Why are my underarms so bad? That's embarrassing. Don't mind me over here just flexing the cutest Aeropostale jacket. I think it's from the 2000s. I thrifted it at Goodwill. It's so cute.
Your apartment has a glow I can't remember.
This shirt kind of has like a weird hood to it, so I don't really know what that's about. Hold up. Oh, yes, Cassie. This is peak fashion.
It's falling over sideways. It's so
Okay, I admit it, American Eagle is currently my favorite store right now. I'm sure you can tell based off of every single thing from this outfit is from American Eagle. Is that a little embarrassing? Maybe, but like it's really cute, so I don't really care. The last outfit I have for you guys is this cute little church outfit. Why am I kind of in love how it's a whole like black and white moment? I don't know, I really like it. It's so cute. This is the last outfit. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. I have been filming for like almost 2 hours doing nothing but just like trying on outfits, but very happy we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, you should definitely subscribe, follow my Instagram, all that jazz, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.